Welcome to this exclusive, unparalleled investment opportunity, shared only with a few select investors. From everyone here at Terra Equity Group, we want to thank you for your time and interest in partnering with us. To skip ahead of the line at any point for a personal overview, simply connect with our team using the information shown here. Before we begin, it is important to note that the information being shared here involves investment opportunities which are regulated by and in compliance with certain SEC rules and guidelines. The information that we are sharing is based on a number of assumptions and hypothetical scenarios, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Like any investment, there are risks involved, and it is important that you are aware of those risks. In this video, we review our Cape Summit investment opportunity in Cape Coral, Florida. Our team is excited to share our new $9.6 million acquisition in Cape Coral, Florida. This property offers our investment partners a 65% ownership opportunity with a $100,000 minimum investment. A key feature for this property is that it's new construction, which places a high priority, first come, first serve status on the investment. Cape Coral is experiencing a significant influx of middle-income earning tenants migrating to the region. However, there is a shortage of over 1,500 units in the area that can serve this ideal bracket. Our property is already poised to deliver brand new housing options to this underserved base. An important feature to highlight is this property's core strength. This new construction was designed with a focus on home value without extending unnecessary costs outwards for the renters in the form of undesired community assets, such as a pool, clubhouse, and so on. Cape Summit instead provides higher value amenities in the units, such as kitchen islands, tile floors, granite countertops, in-unit washer and dryer hookups, and so on, while still maintaining affordable area rents for our target tenants. This, of course, has the added benefit to our investors of limiting maintenance costs and risks up front, as well as down the line. It is important to note that this opportunity is limited to qualified accredited investors. If you are not sure if you are an accredited investor, our team can help. For those that are, the hold period for this investment, like most of our investments, is 3 to 5 years, and the minimum investment is $100,000. Our investment partners can expect projected annualized returns of more than 23% and projected preferred returns of 7% annualized. Cape Summit is a brand new construction that boasts 54 beautiful yet practical units. Electric, water, sewer, and trash are all metered independently and are paid by the tenant. Features like covered parking, concrete block construction with cement and stone finish are all attractive to prospective tenants and give the property its distinctive, solid exterior. Meanwhile, the interiors enjoy similarly attractive amenities like granite countertops, kitchen islands, tile floors, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer hookups, and recessed lighting throughout the home. Truly top-notch finishes to meet today's middle-earning demographic needs. Our team is currently in the process of securing our certificate of occupancy for the property and will be in possession of this important document at the time of closing. At that point, full control over rates, deposits, and clientele screening processes will come into our possession, and this is where we will see additional revenue opportunities that further embolden the investment opportunity. Before we get to this point, however, it will be important that we have our targeted marketing strategies and assets in place. We already have qualified target tenants lined up to act on available leases as each construction is completed, and we will be simultaneously rolling tenants into Phase 2, where we increase rents, along with other applicable revenue-generating options, such as pet deposits, premium parking, and so on. Cape Coral is an amazing example of positive tenant migration and presents a unique opportunity for investors. With a citywide shortage of more than 1,500 housing units and a seat as the only Florida listing on the top 10 cities for millennial migrations of young middle to upper earning professionals looking for starter apartments, Cape Summit is perfectly poised to deliver. While there is currently a shortage of housing in Cape Coral, 2020 saw an influx of development, a rebalancing that will ultimately stabilize the market. The city touts a solid 95% average occupancy, so our investors can rest assured that both the market trend and Terra Equity Group's legacy of high occupancy rates means fewer concerns over the long haul. With its steady growing population and stability increasing job market, the area will continue to be a paradise for young to middle-aged professionals, as well as for those retirees looking for a hassle-free rental lifestyle, without giving up their social ambitions. On the note of area employment, this region hosts several key employers, the type our team keeps an eye out for when examining solid opportunities for our investment partners. The biggest is Lee Memorial Health System with over 9,600 employees. Then we see NCH Naples Hospitals with over 4,300 employees, Hertz with its new sizable job-creating facility and 600-plus employees, and cornerstone institutions like FGCU that employ over 750 people throughout the area. Employment is often the root structure that stabilizes real estate investments, and Cape Coral enjoys a robust menu of employment opportunities. Because the team already has 22 leases in place, we have unique insight on market flexibility, and there's room to grow. As an example, our 1x1s are currently going under $150 less than the market rate, and our 2x2s are going under $250 less than the market rate. Overall, the area comps highlight our position as they come in at more than $1,800. Terra Equity Group's conservative approach to underwriting places the property at around a $1,500 range, so there is a lot of room for rent increases without pricing ourselves out of the market or putting our partners at risk in economic downturns like we've seen lately. A key differentiator in your potential partnership with Terra Equity Group is that we build in monthly distributions into our business plans, something just not seen in the industry. We also produce a 7% return, whereas other investment teams with similar Class A new construction properties like this do not give up more than 6%. Simply put, with Terra Equity Group, you're getting a high-quality opportunity and the top-tier team to manage it. With Cape Summit being a new construction, it's unique in that it will not require a lot of upfront work. It's also the reason why our team can expect a 7% preferred return. And even though the city is forecasting a 4% increase on rent, we have conservatively based our forecasts on a 3% annualized increase. That said, the team will be pushing for optimal market performance and aiming for 4%. Without a doubt, the fact that this property is a new construction brings with it enticing factors that we want to bring to the forefront. For instance, we can expect a higher than 22% annualized return due to the property still retaining its new construction status throughout the 3 to 5 year hold period. Even at a 5-year conservative cap, we will likely see an attractive close. To put this in perspective, if you were to invest $100,000, you would see over $7,000 each year culminating 1 through 5, and $176,000 back at year 5, for a total return of $216,000. Not a bad way to put $100,000 to work. And to add to this, if you are in a 30% tax bracket, that's around $12,000 to $13,000 off your taxes. Here we see Terra Equity Group's sensitivity analysis. The most important thing we want to highlight here is again our conservative approach to the underwriting process. In short, you can expect our team to underpromise and overdeliver in our numbers. Our team invests in multifamily and commercial real estate with a focus on home building for our tenants and portfolio reliability for our investment partners. To reach this ideal balance, we hone in on long-term value creation and capital preservation. Vino Culeri is the founder and principal of Terra Equity Group. With over 20 years of experience and expertise across a variety of areas from capital raise and formation to small business development and operations analysis, Vino is the primary driving force behind the team at Terra Equity Group. Our team has a strong track record of building equity and trust. This, along with our legacy experience in commercial real estate syndication, has led to investment in multiple asset classes of commercial real estate, with most of our focus on the more resilient multifamily class. Ultimately, this has culminated in more than 2,300 units, almost $183 million in assets under management across 7 states. Our many recent wins showcase how a partnership with Terra Equity Group means working with a dedicated team that is committed to exceeding our target numbers, and we have a solid track record of improving communities while growing investment capital. Our investors continue to enjoy the significant returns unearthed by our team, as we consistently deliver well above our conservative projections. This concludes our overview of the Cape Summit investment and partnership opportunity. If you would like to reach out to our team to learn more about this and/or our other properties we are reviewing, simply call us at 954-987-6879 or email us at info@terraequitygroup.com. You can also visit our website at any time by heading to www.terraequitygroup.com. Again, our team at Terra Equity Group would like to thank you for your time, and we look forward to discussing this opportunity with you in more detail.